Oh my God. That's a keeper. Give me. I got it. You gotta keep fishing. Just throw it. Maybe I can throw him out. .28.
Good stuff.
My freaking drag about screwed me.
Good stuff.
My freaking drag about screwed us though. You think I need to measure him or is he good? Net? Oh. Sorry, I missed that.
Just running with it. I scoped him, dude. I'm a scoper.
See a keeper?
Wet.
See a keeper?
Yep. I'm a scoper. I'm a scoper.
I'm telling you, they're schooled up. What'd he go? How many inches?
Fish on life. Go. 10.
Oh, quit it. Hey.
Oh my gosh, it's a fry garter. Hold on.
Hey. It's a pound.
Watch the hell out. There's a fish back. I got some big ones right here. Hold on.
You can go on the big side.
Dude, I'm big ones.
6 pounder. Fish.
You don't have the net.
No. Freaking log. Them logs.
It's the net, Brooks. I'm fine.
Huh?
We need one more for 100.
Yeah. This is definitely a keeper. I think this might be our smallest.
He ain't smaller than mine.
He might be. Stop. That's what Norby says. So. No, he's smaller. He's 1 ounce smaller. Huh? It don't matter which one you call first. If they're an ounce apart. You need to call both of them.
Freaking tree.
You go on the little side. That's what I've learned to use. That might call. That should.
Yeah, he's calling.
Give me it.
Hold on.
I'm gonna reel on my rod. Keeper. Crazy for that.
Keeper.
That grip I had on him. I've learned from Dale Hall, you gotta have a good grip on him.
Baby, let's go. Take you over. Norby.
Quit, Trey. Quit. You wanna know something?
He was call. I kind of need to switch. Come on, in the boat. That's a call. If he's not a slot.
I don't think he is.
That'd be a hell of a call if he's not a slot.
He might be. He looks more like Carl.
He looks more 12 if you ask me.
Yeah, he's a keeper.
I'm a keeper. There's my fish. Good stuff, my friend.
Ooh, should help us. Oh, shoot. Stay on.
Slot. Where is it?
I don't know, but that. I feel like you shot a basketball there.
Keep it back. That is easy. Good stuff, buddy. Thank you.
Dang. Just fish and bleed.
I was freaking not paying attention. I was stuffing my bait.
Oh no, your rod!
No. Why do I always lose my rod? It's your freaking fish, Brooks. Stay down. Bad boy. Bad boy. Get in the boat. That's a fat one.
You like how I keep that net under him whenever the boat's flipping? You need to get him over.
Tiny.
Yeah, he's tiny. You don't have him pinned very well, I know that.
Checker. He freaking might be.